Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So absolutely, if you see the thumbnail, I hope, my brother, you will be very shocked to what's going on. So let me show, my brother, in this video everything I will discuss you about Cardano, to what's the next move and what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis. But kindly please, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and also press out the bell icon. Please like and subscribe. Alright, my brother, the Cardano, especially if you can see here this time the last 1 day chart. So exactly, my friend, after a very long time, Cardano will move off 4.36%. The price is increased 1.4 USD dollar is the latest current price, my friend. This time you can see here. So why the my friend, you can see here price come down, my friends, to from 2 USD dollar to 1.4 USD dollar. Everybody know this too in the my friend, in the last so my friend, month day coin, all not just unique Cardano, all crypto market is very badly falls down, dumps down. So therefore, my brother, Cardano is also badly falls down. But in this month, my friend, in the start of July, as you can see here, this coin is starting moving upward, and I am so happy, I'm so excited to see this, because I am also holder of Cardano. And congratulations, my brother, if we predicate this coin, so exactly there is a lot of chances to they will move upward now. So as you can see here, my friend, absolutely we better understand after that. Yes, absolutely, my friend, the arrow is moving upward, so it's completely 100%. I will guarantee, my friend, give you guarantee to that will moving upward. And the next week, I hope, my brother, very fastly, especially at the end of month, they will again hit 2 USD dollar. So if they will recover just in only, my friend, and first week the all loss, so I hope they will give you a 3 USD dollar. So our target is very huge now, but it is possible. So therefore, I will tell you, my brother. So kindly, why are you waiting? Please like the video and subscribe this channel, and for more this type of video, please subscribe this channel. All right, so holder, I share my opinion. Please hold it, don't set it. And what's your opinion? Please tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.